Whether you're working on a ranch or riding in a rodeo, you will likely have a lasso by your side. The art of using a lasso rope has been perfected over the years by the American cowboy. Whether you use a lasso for roping cattle or doing tricks, it takes skill to use one. Finding the right lasso can be tricky, as there are several things you need to take into consideration. This video includes the best lasso rope for beginners. Lasso rope history. Though lassos are associated with the Wild West of America, cowboys, and working cattle, their history goes back way further. Depictions found show that ancient Egyptian pharaohs used lassos. It is even believed that the Huns used lassos in ancient China. Native Americans used lassos against the Spanish conquistadors as a battle tool. Native Americans then went on to popularize the use of lassos from horseback. From there, the lasso was used as a way to capture cattle. Its popularity grew and lassos soon became a hit at rodeos, with trick roping and team roping competitions. How to choose a beginner lasso rope. When choosing your first lasso, you want one that is both durable and lightweight. Ropes made from hemp or nylon are often the most popular due to their strong performance and easy to use. What to consider. You also need to take into consideration what you will be using your lasso for. If you are doing trick roping, you'll generally want a rope made from cotton or synthetic. For beginners, it is recommended to use a 13-foot rope, or 15-foot if you have a long arm span, as it is less likely to hit your leg or the ground. However, you can use the length you are most comfortable with. As for roping cattle, whether on a ranch or at a rodeo competition, synthetic, nylon, and hemp are commonly used. For a beginner in roping, you want a lasso that is soft, as the more pliable rope will make it easier to gain control. You also want to start with a shorter lasso, such as 25 to 30 feet. What are the advantages or benefits of a beginner lasso rope? Having a beginner lasso will make it easier to pick up roping, whether you are doing trick roping or are roping cattle. A shorter lasso will make it easier to get the hang of roping, as the excess rope will not be getting in your way. Having a softer lasso will also be easier to work with as you develop your skills. If you have working horses on a cattle farm, you'll want to have a lasso handy for catching cows. Some dude ranches even offer packages where you can learn to rope. Visiting a dude ranch is a great opportunity to learn the art of roping and to see it in action. Though dude ranches that offer vacation packages are often the best place to learn to rope, some regular ranches offer courses in roping as well. There are also lots of articles, videos, and books that give you step-by-step instructions on how to rope. Things to look for or attributes that differentiate these products. When looking for a lasso, look for ones that are shorter. You may have to get a junior size in order to find one that will be the right size for a beginner. You want to generally wait to get a longer lasso until you've gotten comfortable using a shorter lasso. A softer lasso will also help you as a beginner. Stiffer lassos can have their advantages when roping cattle, but they can take some practice getting used to. Many lassos also come with a wax finish to help with grip, but sometimes it can cause the rope to be sticky and stiff. What's the best way to use lasso rope? Lassos can have different uses. You can use them for trick roping, roping competitions, and working cattle on farms. Each type of roping takes lots of practice and patience to perfect. Trick roping has a long history in the United States and Mexico. It has become a beloved tradition and can be seen performed at many rodeos across the country. Since the 1800s, cowboys have used lassos to rope cattle. Roping cattle can be used to catch cattle for tagging, vaccinating, and treating them for any health issues. It is a common practice used by cattle farmers to maintain their livestock. Roping cattle has also turned into a well-loved class at rodeos. Team roping is one of the most popular events at rodeos that includes two riders, a header and a heeler, and a steer. It is a fast-paced event where the header catches the cow by the head with a lasso, and the heeler ropes the hind feet. Many ropers learn to rope using a plastic steer head attached to a post or stand. This allows you to get the technique down before practicing on real cattle, which can be challenging. Roping may take a while to catch on, but once you learn it, you will love how fun it is. Whether you want to do it for fun or are learning to take care of cattle on a farm, it is a skill that will be worth your while to have. Top 5 Best Beginner Lassos. With many different lassos available, it can be hard to find the right lasso for you. Here are the top 5 lassos available for beginners learning how to rope. 1. Colorado Saddlery The Kids Lariat. The Colorado Saddlery The Kids Lariat is a sturdy lariat made in the USA. It is made from nylon complete with a wax finish and a Honda knot. Measuring at 25 feet long, it is a great lasso for beginner kids or adults. Pros. It is made from sturdy nylon. It is flexible. The rope measures 5/16 inches by 25 feet, making it a great beginner size. Cons. The wax finish can make it sticky. 2. Tack Kid Rodeo Lasso with Burner Medium Lay. This Tack lasso for kids is made from high-quality nylon with a medium waxed finish. Made in the USA, this is a great lasso for kids to learn roping on. It is also available in a larger size for adults. Pros. This lasso is of high-quality nylon. Perfect for learning how to rope. It is flexible. Cons. It is on the smaller side for roping cattle, measuring at 5/16 inches by 20 feet, but could be used for trick roping. 3. Classic Spydr 5-strand head rope. The classic Spydr 5-strand head rope is made of 5 strands of sturdy twisted nylon. Its slim design offers the perfect balance, making it a great lasso for beginners. It has a great soft build, making it great to learn with. Pros. This lasso is high quality, made with 5 strands of twisted nylon. It is soft and flexible. Its sturdy design is great for roping cattle. Cons. It is on the expensive side. 4. Mustang Headin Ranch Rope with Quick Release Honda. The Mustang Headin Ranch Rope with Quick Release Honda is a great lasso for beginners. It is made from hardy nylon and includes a wax finish. The Quick Release Honda knot makes it easy to catch and release cattle. Pros. This lasso is made from sturdy nylon. It is easy to break in. The Quick Release knot is great to have when working with cattle. It is 30 feet, which is an ideal size for beginners. Cons. It doesn't include instructions on how to use the Quick Release knot. 5. Kids Roping Practice Steer Head Dummy Lariat Rope Set. The Kids Roping Practice Steer Head Dummy Lariat Rope Set not only comes with a high-quality lasso, but also includes a plastic steer head to practice on, making it the perfect set for beginners. The lasso is made from polynylon, with a light wax finish, measuring at 20 feet long. The plastic steer head includes rods for securing it into a hay bale, making for easy and convenient practice. Pros. This lasso is made from quality polynylon. The plastic steer head is great for practicing. It includes a hand-sewn leather burner at the end. Cons. The rope can be a bit stiff and hard to wear in. Roping in the winter. Though all of these lassos are great for beginners, the classic Spydr 5-strand head rope takes the cake as the winner. The classic Spydr lasso's soft finish and durable nylon make it an impressive lasso. The 5 strands of twisted nylon allow for flexibility and easy use. Unlike the Colorado Saddlery The Kids Lariat, it does not have a wax finish that can be sticky. It is ready to be put to work and doesn't need to be broken in like the Kids Roping Practice Steer Head Dummy Lariat Rope Set. At 30 feet, it is a good length for a beginner's lasso. It is an ideal lasso for roping cattle on the ranch or at a rodeo. The pliable and soft nylon makes it easy to handle. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.